is the Kohler 1216610 flush valve kit. Now this is a 3-inch flush valve. It'll come with the tank to bowl gasket, the flush valve nut, and the flush valve itself, as well as a short little list of installation instructions. We'll go ahead and take a look at this. You can see you get this little picture breakdown here of the order of the parts and how they're installed, as well as a little list of written instructions. And going to page 3. A few more installation instructions. And I believe the rest of these pages are going to be the same thing, in just different languages. Alrighty, so a couple important things to notice about this flush valve is, starting at the top, you've got this chain and the little hook here. This little hook is going to attach to the arm of that flush handle, and that's what's going to raise and lower that canister, allowing the water to flow through and flush the toilet. And then right down here at the bottom of this upper canister, you've got this yellow seal that's going to sit right in this groove here. Let's see if I can get it on camera. It's that little groove right there where my finger is. Now when you receive it, it should already be installed, but if something like this happens and it's hanging off, all you got to do is just kind of press it up, and it should pop right back into that groove. And then coming down towards the bottom of the flush valve, you got this red flush valve gasket. That's just going to create the seal between the flush valve tower and the tank. Now we'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part in this kit, starting with the flush valve. I'm going to try to get a total height, which will be a little bit difficult. I'm going to try measuring from the tip here all the way down to the bottom of the, or like the base of the flush valve. So it's not going to be perfect, but we'll try to get it as close as we possibly can. Let's see, it looks pretty lined up there. It looks like it's going to measure right at about 11 inches, give or take, maybe a little over or under. See if I can get it all on the camera. And then we'll also get an outer diameter at the base. Now this is a 3-inch flush valve, so that inner diameter should measure right at about 3 inches. So we line it up here, and we're at right at about 3 1/4 inches. Now this flush valve nut will be an octagon, so you've got 8 sides. And we'll also get an outer diameter and an inner diameter of that nut. Starting with the outer, where it's going to measure right at about 5 1/4 inches, just over 5 1/4. And then inner diameter, looking right at about 3 3/4 inches for the inner diameter. Now with the tank to bowl gasket, so these measurements will kind of vary between the new ones and the old ones. So the one you pull out of that toilet, it will be a little bit different than this one, just due to the fact that it has been compressed by that heavy porcelain tank. So it's going to be a little stretched out, a little bit thinner, just due to it being compressed. So we'll start with that outer diameter, which is going to measure right at about 5 1/2 inches. And then with the inner diameter, going to measure right at about 3 1/4. And then we'll also do a height, which this is probably the most important measurement, or not the most important, but the biggest one that would vary between the old one and the new one. It's kind of hard to see it on the camera. It looks to be right at about 1 inch thick. And once again, this is the Kohler 1216610 flush valve kit.